This monstrous mollusk is the giant panda snail. The giant panda snail is Australia's largest snail species and the largest dome shell snail, and it is also the second largest snail in the world, growing up to 10 centimetres in length. When size is quoted for mollusks, it is the shell that people measure, not the body. The giant panda snail lives usually east of the Great Dividing Range, and some of its main localities are Mount Glorious and Mount Nebo. In these habitats, they will slither through the undergrowth and in leaf litter, searching for their next meal, which could be fungi, detritus, leaves, or any kind of fallen fruit. They live in wet or temperate rainforest, where at night time they will come out and forage in the leaf litter. Giant panda snails are very slow moving in comparison to other snails. Giant panda snails get all the water they need from the food they eat, and also sometimes from water droplets they come across when they're slithering along the rainforest floor. The giant panda snail has a very large foot in comparison to its body mass. And if you put your finger on it, you can feel the waves of the foot trying to move along. The giant panda snail also has very large scales in comparison to its body mass. And also it has a black stripe running from its shell to its head. The black stripe also in some specimens runs between the antennae and runs down onto its lip. And the antennae are jet black, which really stands out against the body. Giant panda snails have two sets of antennae, one on the top, which is twice as long as the ones on the bottom. The giant panda snail also, when slime builds up, it leaves orange-coloured slime. This is not staining, but giant panda snails have a beautiful tiger stripy pattern on the inside of their spirals. And this is species specific because there are no other snail species which have this amazing tiger stripy orange and black coloration. And they don't have many predators that can get them because of their immense size. Many of their old predators, like blue-tongued skinks, their jaws just slip straight off this giant shell. But while some animals, like the noisy pitter and ravens and crows, can just smash the shell against a rock. The giant panda snail only comes out at night or after rain, because this keeps them safe from predators that come out during the day, like ravens and crows. But they can never avoid other predators, such as tawny frogmouths. So, the giant panda snail, an amazing snail which is under threat by deforestation and also habitat loss. They are also under threat by the urban incline of houses coming into their natural environment. These also bring pesticides and poisons, and this species is slowly dying out. So we need to work on saving these beautiful creatures so then in the future our children can see them.